how did this all happen? One day Allison calls me and says, hey, how would you like to do a secret project with Ito? Secret project is sort of learning everything that I had been wanting to know about the printer.
And guess what he said?
My answer was absolutely yes.
3 years ago, we've launched the digital anatomy printer, which was the top-of-the-line 3D printer for medical modeling.
Which brings about a much better outcome for surgeons when they're training compared to what they were able to do previously. I remember being a student at university doing my training on cadavers. And then 3 years ago, I was using 3D printed models for the first time. I could really see the advantage in using the 3D printed models over cadavers.
For the first time, you could 3D print a medical model that would act like the real thing. But we wanted to do more. We've contacted people from hospitals, from medical device companies, from universities, from all over the industry in order to create a product which is a perfect fit for what they need.
The process was really great.
A lot of early morning wake-ups.
Far too much coffee.
A/B testing, brainstorming, simulations, mock-ups.
All the Zoom meetings.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much.
Fast forward 3 years, using the digital anatomy creator software to have it just that much closer to fully simulating a human body.
I think the only word that I could use to describe it is it's amazing. So today with the DAC, I can make crazy things that are really, really helpful.
Now we can really reduce the number of STLs because we can add various layers of materials all within the single file.
And the ability now to modify those little tiny bits of ink so that you can change the way tissues separate is going to be a huge component of my work.
It also allows us to blend our own mix of materials based off of the raw materials that Stratasys provide.
You can choose the ratios between the material, the gradient transition between layers. You can change the thickness of a layer. You can create it rough and also soft.
I think the most exciting feature is really the sense of scale.
We could change things to a sub-millimeter level.
I end up making these models on the computer and I draw in all sorts of parts that we can't see. And now all of a sudden I can print at a scale that I can't even really draw in. It's really cool.
The digital anatomy creator allows for a much more streamlined process. It allows us to go straight from segmentation, put it into the DAC and add the various different layers that we need to create something that can be surgically operated on.
That is a real game changer. I don't think any surgeon would like to go and do a surgery without having practiced that surgery before. We can really use it to train a new generation of surgeons.
Better training means better outcomes. Everything will just benefit the patients in the long run.
The future is very exciting with this as the tool that we all get to contribute to.